Hello, folks. I'm Arun. I'm working as a lead product consultant with a top product company, and I'm here to talk about the product management, the AI, and the job opportunities which are bridging both. When I say about product, it's by the users, for the users, and of the users. It's all about the user feedback and the user insights and the user overview that you get. If I'm going to say there is a level up which is coming, that's the AI. The AI has got a plenty of opportunities to level up the game of the current products and also create new engaging and innovative products. There are plenty of tools to do that, and that's the way forward that we're looking for the product management. And join me over this weekend for an interaction over through the product management, AI, and the job opportunities related to it. Let's learn and grow AI together. See you all there. Thank you.